Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact USB-C port and confirming its capabilities. Look for a lightning bolt, DP symbol, or charging icon. Once done, check your cable and device. A USB 4 or Thunderbolt cable supports higher speeds and power. Make sure your laptop firmware and drivers are up to date so the port negotiates power and alternate modes correctly. Plug gently, aligned. Avoid forcing the connector. This first step prevents common issues and sets up predictable behavior for data, display, and power. You now connect your peripheral using the right cable type. A power-only cable won't carry video, and a Thunderbolt cable enables full bandwidth. Once connected, make sure to plug in power if the device draws more than laptop USB-C supplies. The system will negotiate wattage. Open Device Manager or System Settings to confirm recognition and driver assignment. If using an external monitor, enable USB-C alternate mode or display port output in Settings. This ensures the port switches function from data. You finish by verifying the expected result. Charging percentage rising, transfer showing correct MB/S, or external display at intended resolution. If something fails, first reboot and update drivers. Power negotiation often resolves after a restart. If problems persist, swap in a known good cable or try another USB-C port to determine if it's the cable, hub, or laptop port. One key troubleshooting tip: reset the laptop's SMC/EC or power management. This often clears negotiation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.